We connected with CA Essential to check out a new web camera. This is their WC-3000 model. Let's open up this small and imposing box and see what's inside. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so that box is done. I'm going to take this box and we'll put it over here as well. Then they've wrapped the camera probably to protect it during travel. Okay. So on this box, we have a guide, your camera with the cord built into it, with quite a bit of length where you can go with that. Then we have a mount system. So that would go on the front of your screen or laptop, and then you would use the base here specifically to adjust it against the actual back of the monitor or computer, depending on what you need. It also has a shoe screw on here to basically go on top of a mount item. And then it has an interesting lens cover feature. So you have this device here and it will rotate up and down whether you want the lens open or closed. You have your microphones here, and then it looks like you have also the kind of speakers built into it on the left and right as well. Now this is 1080p and it is a 5 megapixel. So, I mean, I know that's 5 megapixels maybe not be great for like a camera, but for a web camera that is not bad. It also pivots left to right on this part here and does a very small kind of rotate. I have noticed that sometimes when you get those cameras that specifically don't have that ability to kind of roll here, there might be a defect in the thing where when you set it up where you need to be, whether it's the level where you're listing it on or the camera itself, it might be a little bit off. So being able to balance just ever so slightly left or right to get a square video feed is really important. Also, this web camera, I believe, is Zoom certified. Now, Zoom, of course, if you don't know what Zoom is, and you apparently haven't worked since COVID, but Zoom is a virtual meeting program, and they are basically kind of like one of 2 or 3 companies that every company uses. There's Microsoft Teams, there's Zoom, and there's a third one I can't remember right now off the top of my head, but it's pretty much just like Zoom. So having a camera that has been tested and confirmed to meet the requirements of Zoom to give you best quality is going to be really important, especially if you need this for work. So that is not bad. A lot of these cameras also are just plug and play, meaning you just throw this thing into your computer and then it picks it up and it's able to run with it, which is really great. So if you're looking for a camera that is got a good price point for you, is going to be certified to work for your work, then I would highly recommend you check out this WC-3000. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.